Today I'm going to show you how to insert a furniture block in AutoCAD using the Design Center, and this is one of the quickest ways to bring in saved blocks from another drawing without having to recreate anything from scratch. If you work with floor plans, interior layouts, or office designs, this simple method can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow much more organized. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the drawing where you want to place the furniture block. This can be any project you're currently working on, whether it's a room layout, a plan view, or a full architectural drawing. Once your drawing is open, you're ready to bring in the block from another file. Now, press Ctrl and 2 on your keyboard. This is the shortcut to open the Design Center in AutoCAD. The Design Center is a really useful tool because it lets you browse through other drawings and access their content, including blocks, layers, layouts, and more. For this task, we're only focused on the block section. After the Design Center opens, look for the DWG file that contains the furniture block you want to use. This could be a library file, a previous project, or any drawing where you already have the block saved. If you have a lot of files, take your time and navigate through the folders until you find the correct one. Once you locate the DWG file, expand it so you can view its contents. You should see several categories inside, and one of them will be blocks. Click on blocks to display all the blocks stored in that drawing. This is where AutoCAD keeps reusable block objects like chairs, desks, sofas, tables, and other furniture elements. Now find the specific furniture block you want to insert. You can usually preview it in the Design Center window before placing it, which helps make sure you're choosing the correct item. When you found the block, simply drag and drop it into your open drawing. As soon as you release it, the furniture block will be inserted into the drawing area. From there, you can move it, rotate it, or scale it if needed, depending on how you want it to fit into your layout. This is especially helpful when you're building a room plan and need to place multiple furniture items quickly and accurately. If you need to insert more blocks, just repeat the same process. Open Design Center, browse to the DWG file, click blocks, and drag the furniture block into your drawing again. It's a very efficient workflow, especially when you're using the same furniture symbols across multiple projects. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a furniture block in AutoCAD using the Design Center. It's fast, simple, and a great way to reuse your block library without wasting time redrawing objects manually. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.